we have a pack of 40 facial wax strips. So we're going to unpackage them to show you exactly what to expect. It has beeswax, jojoba oil. So this saves you a trip to the salon, so you can do it at home. And you can do things like your eyebrows, if you kind of got a little mustache going, or whiskers. Easy to use. So this is how it comes. These are wax removing oil wipes. So it's a perfect finish wipe. So once you're done waxing, you can wipe it off to make sure all the wax and residue is up. And then this is the actual wax strip. Really easy. You know what? I'm actually going to try it out here to show you. Okay, so here's the wax strip. Step one, you want to get a clean rag and clean the place that you want to wax, or just soap and water on a rag. You take your wax strip. Right here is where we want to go. I like to tighten the skin. Ooh. There we go. You can see I got some whiskers. All right, now let's try this side. Right here. There you go. Ooh. Nice and clean. So then you take the oil. It's the oil wipes. And you see where I wax, how it's getting really red. Just kind of calms the skin. So it's red for a little bit, and then the oil and just a little bit of time, it'll calm it down.